Now we're going to take a look at how we graph our parabolas in vertex form when we have an a value other than 1. So again, inside the parentheses, we go the opposite direction horizontally. So this is going to go right by 4. Outside the parentheses, this is going to go the opposite direction vertically, so down by 4. Now please remember I could have also written this as -4 plus 2 times x minus 4 squared. So regardless of how it's written, remember addition is commutative, so it can be written forwards and backwards, or in a different order, how I should say that as well. So I can put the -4 out front or the -4 at the end. Either way I do it, the thing that's added or subtracted outside the parentheses, whether it's here or here, is the vertical shift. Okay? The a value is always being multiplied. So notice this 2 is being multiplied by the quantity squared. The 2 is being multiplied by the quantity squared. This -4 is being added to it. So then that's how we know this is the vertical shift instead. So we've got right by 4, down by 4, so that puts us at this vertex. Now remember the a value is the 2, so we're going to take 2 and times it by the 1, 3, and 5. So when we times the 2 by 1, 3, and 5, we get 2, 6, and 10. So instead of going over 1 and up 1, we're going to go over 1 and up 2. And then once we've got the over 1 and up 2, we're going to go over 1 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 10 from there is going to be well off our graph. So then we're just going to keep it as that. Okay. So if we look at this next one, we've got inside the parentheses, we're going to shift right by 2. Outside the parentheses, we're going to do the same direction, so up by 2. So right 2, up 2 puts us here. Here, our a value is a -1/4, not third. So we're going to times -1/4 times 1, 3, and 5. So then this gives us -1/4, -3/4, and -5/4. So we're going to go over 1 and down 1/4, which is just a little bit. Over 1 and down 3/4, and 3/4 plus 1/4, because we've got this little portion here is the 1/4, and then 3/4 is this portion, so it'll put it back on the grid lines. And then over 1 and down 5/4, which is 1 1/4, so it puts it just slightly below. So here, inside the parentheses, notice we don't have parentheses on this one. So this is really x plus 0 quantity squared, and then add 2. So we're not going left or right at all. So left or right by nothing, and then we're going up by 2. So our vertex is at 0, 2. Then from there, we have a -1. So we're just going to be opening down instead of up. So we go over 1, down 1. Over 1, down 1, 2, 3. Over 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this gives us our nice picture of our parabola. If we look at this last one that we have, we're going to go the opposite direction inside the parentheses, so left by 6. Same direction outside, so down by 4. Okay, that took me way too long to find that point. Left 6, down by 4. Then we're going to do -2 times 1, 3, and 5. So we're going to do -2, -6, -10. So over 1, down 2. Over 1, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 10 is well off of our graph. So we get this picture here. And that's how you graph your parabolas or quadratics.